Today I'm gonna show you how you can fix your WordPress dashboard issue. Okay, so in this issue you'll have not get any add new plugin and new themes option like this. I hope you will get understand. If you have this problem, then I hope you will watch this video for this reason. Just want to fix your problem. Okay, so just you have to log in your cpanel. Okay, I'll try to log in my cpanel as well. Okay, so just I am try to find out my file manager. Then okay, so you need to go your root file. Okay, so here is my root file. So you have to edit your wp-config.php file. Then you have to put a little line coding. Then you will fix the problem. It's really simple thing. So have a look, this follow files, and the second rule is false, true. Okay, so you have to replace the false to true to false. Simple method. Just if you do it once, then you will get the solution. Then just press on update and then just click on reload. Have a look there, your problem has been fixed. You will get the add new theme and add new plugin option. Okay, add new upload option, upload theme, every option will be fixed. Okay, so I hope you will get solution by watching this video. So if you think you are getting some help from this video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and like, comment and share please.